Hey guys, it's Taya back here with another video. I have partnered up with the company Mimosu and they sent me a package, a PR kit to try out their rice water kit. This is my rice water. This is how it is looking. It is nice and cloudy. It's like really mess free. I love the fact that this is super easy. It was real simple, from the jar to the bottle, straight to your hair. And that's it. I've already, like I said, washed my hair and just concentrating that nozzle into my scalp and just really working it in and just massaging it as the product says to do. And I must say guys, this is like probably the least messiest treatment that I've. So yeah, that is it for me, you guys. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Do I think it is a great product? It is super convenient for those that are on the go, that want the DIY but do not have the time and can't just bother with the DIY treatments. This one was super easy, super convenient. So I would highly recommend this product. Stay blessed.